Hello, this is a screencast to show you text-to-speech. I'm using here ReadWriteGold, which is probably one of the most advanced text-to-speech pieces of software and has an awful lot of features that maybe people might not use. If you really need this software though, this would be the deluxe version and would be really good. I'm not going to show you all the features, but I am going to show you how most people would use it. So the first thing I'm going to do, I've typed this, so I'm just going to put the cursor at the top and press this play button here, and then you will hear it being read to you.
ReadWriteGold, screencast about text to speech at Kingston Maurward College. This is a piece of writing to show how ReadWriteGold can help you. I have some spelling errors to show you how it picks up these mistakes.
Okay, so you can see how that just read anything I typed, which is really good. We're going to look at the spelling errors now. Now this is very similar to Word, so because it's underlined red, I know there's a spelling mistake there. And I've right-clicked on spelling, and as you can see this is slightly more advanced than Word, however, and it's come up with lots of different options for spelling. And on the right here it gives you an idea as well, so of what things mean. So I'm going to press on spelling, and then I'm going to just press change. You can see there's some more buttons here. I could add it to a customized spelling option. If there's a spelling that you use that always comes up as wrong and you want to add, you can put that in. And autocorrect you can also tick, which means it'll always correct those regular spelling mistakes you use. So I'm just going to press change here, and it will make spelling into that. And again, I'll do the same. I'll right click on mistakes, and again we'll get this little dictionary. See here on the right, however, and you've got this visual dictionary, which is really useful sometimes. Just gives you a kind of idea. It might just remind you what a word means really quickly, so that's very useful too. So I'm going to press change for mistakes. So that's the spell checker, which is this little symbol up here with the tick and the letters there. There's also word prediction, which is very similar to your word prediction on text, so you can have that on and it'll give you a lot of options of words to use. So if you don't really want to type very much and you want to use that, that's a very useful one. And this is the dictionary here, and that's your picture dictionary there. Okay, now it can read anything that's on the page, so I'm just going to quickly go into the British Dyslexia Association website and just show you how easy again it is to read from here. So we've gone into the website and I just press play.
BDA National Helpline. We are holding a free webinar on ICT in schools and how to support people with dyslexia on the 6th of June from 6 p.m.
So again, you can see that's really useful to have that, so you can be opening up anything and have it read to you. Now I just want to show you a few other things. You notice that it was being highlighted in yellow and blue there. These are the tabs that you could use there, so you could change it to green and have it highlighted in green, or you could have it highlighted in pink. So there's that option. This is a great option. It's scanning. So you can take a picture of any text you see around you or from a book and scan it into ReadWrite, and it will read it to you, which is one, very useful. Two, though, it can change things like PDF or the picture of your text into Word for you, so you can change any text that you take a picture of into Word and therefore start typing into it, as well as having it read to you. So that's a very useful feature. Another feature here is homophones. They're words that sound the same but look different. So sum, for instance, S-U-M for the mathematical sum, and S-O-M-E for the word, the other use of the word. And in here on the play button you can see there's lots of things here which I don't have time to show you all of them, but you can see how it can be read by word, read by sentence, read by paragraph. It can speak as you type, so it can hear words read to you. There's a speech maker. And also here it says watch speech video tour. There's some really good videos on here for everything. So if you go into the spell checker, for instance, and on this little black arrow it says watch spelling video tour. If you go to the word prediction, there's a word prediction tour. So it's very easy to use and very well explained if you need to do that. So that is your screencast.